This is the Ashcroft Indian Band cooking show. Today we are going to make cheeseburger sliders. Yes, so basically a slider just means it's a little bun. So it's kind of fancy.
Little burger.
Little burger,
baby
little
burger.
So Jolene's going to get the hamburger. So there's a couple ways to do it. My take on it, easier, just fry up some hamburger in a pan. If you want to, you could make the patties and make teeny little patties to go in the little buns. Completely up to you. We're going to do it this way just for today. So while she's doing that, I am going to make up the sauce for the burgers. So approximately a third of a cup of mayo. I prefer Hellmann's real mayonnaise myself.
You've made that very clear. I don't dare buy Miracle Whip.
I do like what I like.
Yes, that's fine. I started buying it now.
See, you like it too, don't you?
It all tastes the same to me, to be honest. That's okay though.
All right, and then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of ketchup. It's pretty fancy stuff here. And we're gonna use the good stuff. We're using French's mustard, and we're gonna do about a tablespoon of that. So we're gonna season up the hamburger a little bit. Put some steak spice in there. That's what I like. Oh, yeah. If you like Worcestershire, we'll throw a couple dabs in there. No, too much.
Really? Oh, I was like, I'm kind of scared.
A little bit of,
that was a good 15. Oh, this is like the
yeah, those are the worst. You could actually just take the top off and
then
pinch
this
it
one's
in.
really fast.
Mhm.
Yeah.
All right, and you can throw some garlic in there too. I don't think we have any right now. But cut the buns, not the cheese.
Oh,
To make that clear.
you didn't want this like, you want this kind of chunky?
Yeah, I mean, but you break it out. Like
Okay.
super. Is really important. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut sideways. So we want to get a really good, sharp, serrated knife. Do we have any serrated knives? Doesn't probably matter because they're all very sharp. Oh, found the serrated one. All right, so actually I'm going to do this on a flat surface. I'm going to go about halfway. Just make your way through. You want to try and keep the buns, the top layer and the bottom layer together as best as you can. Okay, so then we are going to put the oven on to broil, and we're going to broil this for about a minute just so it's just a little toasty. Okay, so we put the buns in under the broilers. Just be really careful because you don't want them to burn. So those are nice and toasty. The hamburger is ready, it's cooked through, it's been drained. So now we're going to put the sauce onto both sides of the buns. So I'll just, you want to maybe get something inside?
Yeah.
That would be.
All right, is it still on broil you want?
Oh no, we're gonna put it to bake. Sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah. So then after it broils, we're gonna put it on bake at 350 for about 10 minutes. Pile it on to the bottom, which is this side. And I'll put a little bit of cheese on first. Sorry, my bad.
Okay, you gotta tell me what's going on so we're not like, yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Okay, so now put the hamburger on. And we'll just get it. Good. That's why the counter's clean, it's all good. So load it up as much as you want on there. You can also slice up some tomatoes and have some lettuce. But I don't like to put it on because then it gets all soggy and wilty when you put it in the oven, but if you want to pull it apart after and add that, you can. And then we'll just throw on some onions, I'm gonna throw on some peppers. And like I said, if you had mushrooms, you'd throw some mushrooms on there as well. Whatever you like on your burgers normally. The peppers are really good on there. Okay, and then we will add some more cheese. Jolene's favorite.
I like a little cheese. I just don't. Some people are like pretty passionate about cheese.
I don't know anybody like that. Okay, and then we're going to put some pickles on there.
Alrighty.
So kind of like, so every
I see.
little spot's gonna have at least 1 or 2 bites of pickles. All right, oh, perfect timing, our oven's ready. Okay, and then we're gonna take our top and we're gonna put it on. So I'm just gonna transfer it over. You can, if you've got a baking dish with sides. Okay, so now we have it in our baking dish. I'm just gonna cover it because we don't want the top to get too crunchy. All right, and then we're gonna put it in the oven for about 10 minutes or so till the cheese gets all melty. So
They smell yummy.
they do smell yummy. So we're gonna cut them up and plate them. So we're just gonna, just because we kind of made this, you won't probably be able to do this if you have like a glass dish, but this is what we're gonna try. I'm gonna slide it out. One. Get it inside one, they're more gooey. There we go. All right, so here we go. We got our sliders. We got the
Just happen to have strawberry pie
piece
with
of
whipped
strawberry
cream.
pie. Looks good. And there you go. So as usual, if you are interested in trying these out, on Reserve members, let us know and we will provide the ingredients for you. And off Reserve members, please try it as well and we'll put you in for a draw. All we need is your pictures. Okay.
Yeah, enjoy.
Okay,
and
let's have a try.
the description is underneath too. Everyone forgets that part.
In the
So,
directions,
Yeah.
yeah. you
Yeah.
bet. Okay.
So, all right.
Try?
Oh yeah. Yay. Favorite part.
Cheers.
Mmm. That's so good.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Cheers.